I was ecstatic when I saw my phone's notification today. There was a special package waiting for me at the door. I'm so excited! My brand new easel just arrived and I can't wait to set it up. Let's unbox it together. Inviting a new easel into my studio is a big step. I have to make sure it'll get along with the other easels in the family. How beautiful is this wood? Focus, focus, focus. Yes, let's look at some instructions, that'll help. Nope, let's just wing it. I'm starting with the wheels, that seems easiest. This easel is so well built, I can tell it's going to be super sturdy. I love that all the accents are gold, they fit so well within my studio aesthetic. The tilting feature of this easel is what sold me on it. It's so easy to adjust to any angle and height I need. I usually work on smaller paintings, but this easel is capable of bigger things if need be. Let's make some introductions. Easel, meet painting. Painting, meet easel. The moment I've been waiting for, time for a little spin. Let's just admire this for a moment. I can't get over how smooth these wheels are gliding across my studio floors. An easel is an artist's best friend, so it's really important to find a perfect match. I think the two of us are going to be soulmates. I am so happy with this easel. It is so easy to move around my studio. It lets me get up close and personal with the artwork, and I just can't wait to put it to use.